In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your admin password for QuickBooks Desktop. If you're locked out of QuickBooks Desktop because you can't remember the admin password, don't worry. The reset process is fairly simple, and QuickBooks provides a built-in way to recover access securely. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can get back into your company file as quickly as possible. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the login screen. This is the same screen where you normally enter the admin password to access the company file. If you've forgotten that password, look for the option that says "I forgot my password" and click it. This starts the password reset process. Next, QuickBooks will ask you to verify information connected to your registered account. You'll need to enter your QuickBooks license number, along with the business details associated with your registration. This usually includes your email address, phone number, and zip code. Make sure the information matches what was originally used when the software was registered. If anything is entered incorrectly, the system may not be able to verify your identity, so it's worth taking a moment to double-check everything before moving forward. Once your information is submitted and verified, QuickBooks will send an access token to your registered email address. This token is used to confirm that you're authorized to reset the admin password. Go to your inbox and look for that email. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well, since automated emails can sometimes be filtered there. After you receive the access token, follow the instructions in the email or on the QuickBooks reset screen to use it and create a new admin password. When choosing your new password, make sure it's something secure, but also memorable enough that you won't lose access again. A good tip is to store it in a trusted password manager or secure internal record, so it's easy to find later if needed. Once the new password has been created, return to QuickBooks Desktop and sign in again using the updated admin credentials. At that point, you should be able to access your company file normally. That's all there is to it. By clicking the password recovery option, verifying your registered business details, and using the emailed access token, you can reset your QuickBooks Desktop admin password and regain access safely.